Hi there, hi everyone, welcome back with the edition with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper of Saturday, October the 5th, 2020. Yes, the sixth Sudoku is a tectonic with 3 stars, and this one will be a number 1684. Alright, so let's get started. Do we have here a single box? No single boxes. Do we have here dual boxes? No dual boxes. I see here a triple box. 1, 2, and 3. These 2 boxes are reserved for the 1 and the 3. Let me mark them 1 and the 3. That means this box cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. We have a 3 here, so only 1 box left for the 3 should be here. Now we have a 3 there, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be a 1 and this should be a 3. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 4. Let me mark them 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so the 3 and the 5 goes here as a pair. The other 2 should be 1 and a 2. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. That box cannot be 5 because we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Then this box cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be here. The 1 and the 4 are left. Let me mark them 1 and the 4. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 5. So the 5 goes in these 2 boxes. Let me see. This box cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3. Well. Could be a 4 or 1. 1 or 4. 1 or 4. This box cannot be a 1, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. So 1 digit left should be the 2. So the 1 and the 4 are left. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So the 4 could be here or could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. So the 4 and the 5 goes in these 2 boxes as a pair. That means the other 2 boxes should be the 1 and the 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. I cannot place a 2 here, otherwise those 3 boxes cannot be a 3 anymore, and I need a 2 in one of those 3 boxes. So the 2 cannot be here, the 2 should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so those 2 boxes could be a 3. Well, I cannot place the 3 here, otherwise I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 should be in this box. These 3 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. This box cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be in these 2 boxes. Then these 2 boxes. No, 5. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes are left for the numbers 2 and 3. Let me mark them. 2 and 3. 2. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here or could be there. That means those 2 boxes cannot be a 4 anymore. Otherwise I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. Now we have a 4 here. So this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4 and this should be a 1. Now we have a 4 here. So this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be a 1 and this should be a 4. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. How about 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 5. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Then those 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me see. The difficult part here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 4 and the 2. We have a 4 here, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. This box should be a 5, because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, so definitely a 5. The 2 and the 1 are left. Let me mark them. 2 and a 1, 2 and a 1. This box should be also a 5, because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4. Definitely a 5. 2 boxes left, the 4 and the 1. We have a 4 here, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. This box cannot be a 5, because I need a 5 in one of those 2 boxes, so the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. That means this box cannot be a 5 anymore. The 5 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me think. 3. This box. No. Give me 2 or 1. 1, 2 or 5. This box 2 or 5. Gonna be a 2. Let me see. No 1. This 4. Difficult, this part. This box cannot be 3 or 5. Could be a 1, could be a 2, could be a 4. Alright. 1. Where's the opening? Where is the opening? 2, 5, 1. 4, the 3, the 2, 2, 2. Yeah. 2, 3. That means this box cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. Yes. This box cannot be a 3 because I need a 3 in one of those two boxes. That box cannot be 3. We have a 3 there. So we have the 4 and the 3 as a pair here. That means the other should be 5 and the 2 here. That means I have here 2 and a 3. This box cannot be a 2. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So the 2 should be here. And the 5 goes and there. Now we have a 2 here. So this box cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be a 4. And this should be a 2. Now we have a 4 here. So this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4. And this should be a 5. Now we have a 2 there. So this box cannot be a 2 anymore. This box should be the 2, and I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes in that box, and I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes in this box. 1 box left in this area for the number 1. 3 and a 4 are left. 3 and a 4, I cannot fill this yet. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 here, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. That means these 3 boxes cannot be a 2. The 2 goes in those 2 boxes. That means that this box cannot be a 2 anymore. The 2 goes in those 2 boxes. 1 box left should be the 1. Now we have a 1 here. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here. So this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1. And this should be a 2. I have marked those 2 boxes with the 2. Now we have a 2 there. So this box cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2. And I have eliminated the 4. So the 4 goes there. 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 5. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 here, so this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 5, and this should be a 2. 3 and a 5. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 3 and a 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. We have a 2 here, no 2 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be there, and I've eliminated the 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be here, and 1 box left. This should, oh no, this is a quadra box. Stupid. There is no 5 in in a quadra box. There is no 5. Only 1, 2, and 4. Let me correct this with this pen, correction pen. Alright, so the 2 cannot be in those 2 boxes. So the 1 and the 4 are left. 1 and the 4, we have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and I've eliminated the 4, and the 4 goes there. Finished in 40 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this one. Like this 3 stars Tectonic. If you like this too, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the 2 last binaries. Binary number 1 and binary number 2. See you later. Bye bye for now.